His house upon the rock, and on the rock he stood. He built his house real good. The wise man built his house upon the rock. He built his house upon the rock, and on the rock he stood. He built his house real good.
Real well. Real well.
And when the rains came down, that man was safe and sound. None built his house upon the sand. He built his house upon the sand. It was not a very good plan. He was a wishy-washy man. A wishy-washy man. If the rains came down, the floods were all around. It was a single sound when the winds rolled up and blew around his house. It blew right to the ground. Strong foundation found in the Word of God. And the Word of God's gonna find the truth, and the truth is a solid rock. And the solid rock is Jesus Christ. He is the Son of God. And the Son of God showed us how to live, and He taught us about the Father's love. Jesus, you are true. You are the rock, and I'll live my life by you. Yeah, I will not be moved. You are the way, and I'll live my life by you. Yeah, Jesus, you are true. You are the rock, and I'll